This comprehensive kit provides a durable, rubberized barrier that effectively shields your vehicle's undercarriage and wheel wells from corrosion, moisture, and damaging road debris. A major benefit is its excellent sound deadening capability, which significantly reduces road noise and vibrations for a more peaceful and comfortable driving experience. The package conveniently includes 4 28-ounce containers and a dedicated applicator gun, offering a complete, ready-to-spray system for large projects. Its formula creates a flexible, textured finish that is fully paintable and compatible with most top coats, allowing for a perfectly integrated and professional look. The coating's fast-drying nature is a remarkable time saver, minimizing downtime and streamlining the entire application process from start to finish. Users can apply this product with confidence as it meets the strict volatile organic compound requirements for all 50 states, ensuring environmental compliance.